We're going to show you how easy it is to use Girly Glue to stick bows onto your baby's heads. Simply remove the cap. You're going to put a tiny dab of glue on there, just like that. Okay, and then you take the glue side down, stick the bow where you want, and then you just kind of press with your hand. And there you go. It should last all day. And then if you want to switch the bow, it's very easy. Just peel it off. Look, baby sleeps right through it. And then you'll take your other bow. If there's enough left, you can just stick it back on. But if you want to add a little more glue, again, just kind of press it in place. And then when you want to take the bow off, you just peel the bow carefully off like that. And then you take a wet washcloth and just wipe off any extra glue. There you go.